The opening statement by plaintiff or prosecutor introduces their side of the story to the judge and jury to the case.
Statement by the defense is when the defendant's attorney explains evidence to be presented to disprove the allegations made by the prosecutor or plaintiff. Basically, this introduces the defendant's side of the story.
So did you see the man walk into the house?
Yes, I did, sir.
What exact time and date did you see him?
I would say it was about 2:30 p.m. on January 15, 1969.
I arrest him.
What ethnicity do you think this man was?
I would say this man is a gosh darn blackie.
Does this man look like an African American? I think not. I rest my case. Motions is where the defendant's attorney makes an oral request to dismiss the case. Where were you during this alleged incident?
I was at my house.
Exactly. How could Mr. Robertson be at his house and at this little kid's house at the same time?
Is this you in this picture?
May I see the picture one more time, sir? Well, I have to say that this is obviously not me because, as you can clearly see, this man is wearing a snorkeling mask. I rest my case.
So they found this key piece of evidence at the crime scene during the exact time where the kid was taken away. And these fingerprints on this evidence is the exact ones of Mr. Robertson.
My client, Mr. Robertson, is clearly not an African American based on the witness's descriptions.
This is a picture of Mr. Robertson. And this is the alleged criminal that we saw. Don't these two look alike? Like their face and their shirt and the ethnicity?
Jury instructions is when the judge instructs the jury to determine a verdict based off of the evidence presented during the trial.
The jury has come back with a unanimous decision of the defendant, Billy Robertson, being guilty.
It depends on the state that you're in as to the severity. The laws of the state will tell you what the severity is.
The sentencing is determined by many factors. Some of these factors are the degree or injury of loss to the person or property. This basically means how much the person or property was injured or affected, and this can affect or decrease the sentencing. Criminal history, aka if the person has had more criminal offenses before, the sentence will usually be more severe. Efforts made to live a social life prior to commitment to prison. This means that based on a person's life or community life prior to their sentencing, based on their employment, military service, etc., they could either have a less or more of a sentence. Lastly, the involvement of offender in the instant offense. Based on the evidence, the offender's actions prior to or during the instant offense seem to indicate that he or she has played a substantial role or was the investigator or leader in the planning or commission of the offense. Then the sentencing is more serious. Thank you for watching our American Justice video on sentencing and the trial 12 steps. Please subscribe for more videos and like and favorite and share with your friends if you enjoyed. Thank you.